You'll be needing a ventilating needle and a ventilating hook. This is what the needle looks like up close. You have to unscrew the cap of the hook and then placing the needle gently and firmly, then you screw back the cap tightly. This is just a little hack for when you want to rest while ventilating so your needle doesn't fall off. You pick out the hair strands that you're working with. It's better to go with little sizes and then apply your hair grease to any of the 4 methods I showed us in my previous video. Then make your loop. This is what the lace net usually looks like. I'm ventilating on 1 hole. I'll skip 2 holes and ventilate. This is exactly how you should be holding the ventilating hook, like a pencil or like chopsticks. I don't know. For the main process of ventilation, you want to hook 2 or 3 or 1 strands of hair according to what you're working with into the ventilating needle. After passing it through one of the holes on the net, then you pull it out, make a loop, pass the hair back into that loop, and then pull while holding on the long end with a finger. Let me show it to you again up close this time around. Pass your needle into one of the holes, depending on what you're working with. Hook 2 or 3 strands of hair according to what you're working with on the needle. Pass it back into the hole, make a loop, and then pull the hair into that loop while pressing down so it comes out smoothly. Simple. I'm going to show it to you again. Pass the needle through a hole, pick your hair, pass it back, make a loop, pull and press. Okay, so it's like, how many steps are there? Like 5 steps. Pass your needle through a hole, pick your hair strands, pull it out through the same hole, make a loop, pull and press. That's like how many steps? 4, 5, I don't know, but it's simple, right? Ventilating of hair is a very simple process. The only thing there is that you just need to be very patient to be able to finish any work you start, because as easy as the procedure seems, it takes a long time to complete whatever it is you're working on. Okay. So we are down to our last 3 or 4 holes to ventilate, then we are done. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's very simple and I showed you how easy it is to make your ventilated wigs. You just need to be patient. The process itself is easy. See you on my next one. Bye.